Good morning, welcome to your daily weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy skies out there earlier this morning. They've continued to clear, and we're seeing some mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies out there currently. And to see those mostly sunny skies throughout the rest of the day, and we'll have lowering humidity values, so it should be becoming more comfortable out there, as well as some slightly breezy winds out of the north. Continue to monitor the winds for a wind advisory, possibly have to issue that after the briefing. The winds continue to trend in the way they have this morning. Looking at our freezing level this morning at 14,600 feet, our winds out of the northwest. The low levels about 20 to 25 knots and becoming more westerly from 6 to 12,000 feet, increasing from 25 to 35 knots, and then up to 25,000 feet we see a westerly wind at 45 to 50 knots. Looking at our surface analysis this morning, we have a cold front that moved through the region. We have some post-frontal northerly winds affecting in some drier and cooler air into the region from this high pressure over the Great Lakes and northern plain states. Going to be moving towards our region for this weekend, and that'll provide us with more tranquil conditions across the region and just some marine layers coming on shore for Saturday and Sunday. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, you see this band of cloud cover that moved through overnight in the early mornings. It's continuing to move south with the cold front. We have some cumulus clouds or stratocumulus clouds across Pennsylvania that could be building into our region for the afternoon, but overall we'll just see mostly sunny skies. I mentioned the radar imagery this morning, not seeing much at all, just some light sprinkles or light rain showers across northern Ohio and northwestern Pennsylvania this morning. Not expecting anything here at Wallops. Looking at our 3-kilometer NAM model for today, you're going to see nothing on the radar in general, just seeing some light returns possibly off the coast. The 3-kilometer NAM tries to bring in some sprinkles tomorrow morning. I don't really expect that. It does bring in some more rain showers or possible light rain showers Sunday morning with a warm front moving through. That is a possibility, but the 3-kilometer NAM is just about the only thing showing that, and most likely we'll just see a dry frontal passage with a warm front on Sunday morning. The possibility of some low clouds. Looking at our GFS model for the long range, Saturday will be mostly cloudy in general, have an onshore flow with the area high pressure to the north. That typically leads to a northeasterly flow over the Delmarva Peninsula. We'll have that marine layer come onshore. That should keep our temperatures in the 60s with the abundant cloud cover as well as the cooler atmosphere over the region. And then Sunday morning looking like we'll have that warm front possibly moving through, and definitely by Sunday afternoon we'll have southerly winds. This area high pressure builds off the coast, allowing that frontal boundary to move north of the region, and seeing overall just some warmer conditions, mostly cloudy skies. Looking into Monday, we'll have a cold front starting to approach from the west. The models continue to show some light rain showers moving onshore or popping up right along the coastal sections of the Delmarva Peninsula by Monday afternoon. Seeing about a 30% chance of that occurring. And then Monday night into Tuesday, models continue to dissipate this moisture with the cold front, as has been seen the last several days, and most likely we'll continue that trend into the weekend, and probably only seeing about a 30% chance of those rain showers moving through on Monday night into Tuesday. And if they do move through, it'll probably just be some light rain showers. We are in a very dry pattern across the region, and not really seeing much of a pattern change, so expecting just continued dry weather. For Tuesday, we'll see area high pressure build in, and that area high pressure should last through the middle of next week. Looking at Wednesday and the Thursday, you can see, and even into Friday, we have this area high pressure over the region, so looking like a more of a fall type weather pattern with temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s for highs. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have no chance of precipitation or lightning. Winds will be around 25 knots with the gust for this morning in the afternoon hours, high around 79 today. A low around 54 tonight with more northeasterly winds overnight, cloud cover increasing by tomorrow morning with a northeast wind at 9 to 14 knots, gusting to 19 knots by Saturday morning. Our 24-hour terminal forecast will have VFR conditions expected the next 24 hours. Possibility we do see a broken deck around 3,000 feet tomorrow morning, and there's a slight chance we do see that below 3,000 feet by Saturday at 8 local. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at the weekend, we'll have mostly cloud overcast skies and slightly breezier onshore flow for Saturday with a high of 67 degrees green chart, and then Saturday night, mostly cloud overcast and mild, a low of 62, and Sunday we'll have mostly cloud overcast skies, slightly breezy winds out of the south, and warmer temperatures, a high of 75, and yellow far winds will be right around 23 to 24 knots, so not out of the question we see that 25 knot criteria being met. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll see the coolest day on Saturday at 67, 75 on Sunday. Both days will be mostly cloudy, but overall, fairly nice weekend. Just some breezy conditions across the peninsula. Monday, we'll see that cold front moving through with the possibility of some isolated showers throughout the day, and during the evening and overnight hours, we'll also continue with that 30% chance of those rain showers. Tuesday, we'll see that cold front move south of the region, high pressure building in. That allow us to have fairly nice conditions overall, less humidity on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Temperatures in the lower 70s to upper 60s across the peninsula. We'll have more onshore flow on Wednesday and Thursday. That could bring in a marine layer once again, but right now that high pressure should allow for us to see partly cloudy and mostly cloudy skies across the region for both Wednesday and Thursday, and seeing some fairly cooler overnight lows more towards seasonable weather. Our lows should be in the lower 50s, and we'll see those temperatures in the lower 50s to mid 50s for our overnight lows in the middle portion of next week. That'll complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.